Good day everyone, I am CUBERO third from to BSABE B. And now we're gonna solve some sample problem about pressure. Now, both a gauge and a manometer are attached to a gas to measure its pressure. Find the difference between the fluid levels of the arms of manometer for a specified reading of gauge pressure. Now, our fluid here are the water and mercury. And our specified reading of gauge pressure is 90 kilopascal, as you can see in the figure, and the difference between the fluid levels are is this H. Now, the densities of water and mercury are given by 1000 kilogram per cubic meter and 13,600 kilogram per cubic meter. Now, to solve for gauge pressure, the formula is gauge pressure equals to density times the acceleration due to gravity times height. Now, to find h, we need to divide both sides by density times gravity due to acceleration due to gravity, and we get the result of this. H is equals to gauge pressure over density times gravity. Now, to find the H for mercury, H is equals to gauge pressure over density of mercury times acceleration due to gravity equals to our gauge pressure here is 90, as you can see in the figure, over the density of mercury, which is 13,600 kilogram per cubic meter, times the gravity, 9.81 meter per second squared. Now, we need to times or multiply it to 1 kilonewton per square meter over 1 kilopascal times 1000 kilogram per meter second squared over 1 kilonewton for the cancellation of units. Now, and we get the result of 0.67 meters. That's the height for mercury. Now for water, same process. H is equal to gauge pressure over the density times gravity equals to 90 kilopascal over 1000 kilogram per cubic meter. This is the density of water times the gravity, 9.81 meter per second squared. Same process as solving for mercury. You need to multiply it by 1 kilonewton per square meter over 1 kilopascal, multiply to 1000 kilogram per meter second squared over 1 kilonewton for the cancellation of units. Now the final result will be this 9.17 meters for the height of water. I hope you learned something. Thank you and God bless.